Hello and welcome to Appleby. I'm on Colby Lane today looking at this absolutely gorgeous semi-detached house, 4 bedrooms. It's got a massive garden to the side, lovely patioed area, bit of parking, and it's right off the centre of Appleby. Only a few minutes walk and we're right into the middle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip this round, show you the street scene where it sits, and then we'll take you inside. Okay, so this is a street scene. This is the road that takes us right up into the middle of Appleby, and this is the property that we've come to see. So it's over 3 floors, great big extension there. We've got a sunroom to the side, and we've also got a great big patioed area along here. Okay, how cool is that as well? A big style. Okay, so let's take you inside. Okay, so we come into this vestibule area, which is absolutely boiling hot. That's beautiful, that. And then 2 steps down and we're into this huge living room. As you see, we've got some nice exposed stone. We've got a fireplace with a multi-fuel stove. Nice wooden floor. Through here, we've got office space. So lots of storage, and there's also a desk built in. That's really handy. Back into this huge room, and we'll go through the double doors, and this takes us into the kitchen diner, which again is a really good size. So we've got tons of space for table and chairs. We've got this very cool kitchen, loads of storage. We've got integrated dishwasher, hob, we've got the oven and grill, space for a fridge freezer. Then through here we've got a sunroom. And then upstairs to the first floor. Let's go. Got some storage in here, understairs storage. That door leads us up to the staircase and up to the 2nd floor. Along here we've got the main bedroom, and this one's got an ensuite in it. This is, as you can see, is a super bright room. And then in here we've got a double shower cubicle with a mains fed power shower. A really nice room. Okay, next we come to the family bathroom. And this one is tiled from floor to ceiling. Look at that. Got a jacuzzi bath there with a shower over. Next, double bedroom. And then we go up again to the 2nd floor. And up here we've got 2 bedrooms. Some under-eave storage there. First bedroom, it's got some beautiful beams in here. Really nice and bright. And then we've got a single as the last bed. Okay, so there we are. If you'd like to come and see this gorgeous 4-bedroomed house in Appleby, then please give the Penrith office a call, and we are on 01768 88 1111.